Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Yeah, this is not about some people hate particular government. Sorry, àwọn kan nínú wa, a máa ń believe pé torí pé wọ́n hate government Tinubu ló fà táwọn èèyàn fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ Tinubu somehow. But I want you guys to understand pé this country is full of corruption. Be federal government, state government, local government, all the processors, wọ́n pátápátá wọ́n ti wà corrupt. So we are looking for somebody that can at least reduce this atrocity. Now, recently, the new boss for Nnpc, that is Bayo Ojulari, sacked all the managing director of the refinery we have in this country. Three of them. We have Warri, Kaduna, and Port Harcourt refinery. Now, immediately to one sack one big investigation lórí wọn, the EFCC, and they discover over 80 billion naira in their bank accounts, and also the officials, working under them. So now, this is alarming, and mo rí pé corruption ti deep in the country. Tí a bá gbàgbé, a rí pé even ọ̀rọ̀ student loan over 72 point something billion ni wọ́n rí account fún. Why tí corruption the only problem ta ní country is not only leader. Ẹ má yẹ ká tanra wa, àwọn leader ní kókó la máa pè. Ṣé àwọn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn náà? Yes, we know that àwọn leaders ìwọ̀nyẹn náà pẹ̀lú, because footstep wọn làwọn náà wò pé opportunity lélẹ̀ tèmi náà bá ti débẹ̀ jẹ́ kémi náà sáré kówó tèmi, kémi náà sáré jẹ́. I know that most of them, that is what they are doing. But this is a bad habit, because if we continue like this, we can never get there. And to be sincere, don't let me deceive you, it's difficult, and I will keep repeating it, for us to move forward in this country. And the reason is Atipoju. The best way, this is my own personal opinion, the best way for us to move forward in this country is let us split. At least kí Igbo dúró lọ́tọ̀, Hausa dúró lọ́tọ̀, kí Yorùbá dúró lọ́tọ̀. Because don't let me deceive you, if we are continue like this, before we get there, tell you, débẹ̀. Now, ẹ wo àwọn tí wọ́n arrest yín sìn, tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ investigation lé lórí yín sìn, ẹ wo iye tí wọ́n náà ti kó, and oye tí wọ́n rí nìyẹn o. Because àwọn náà gbọ́n, wọ́n ti kó pamọ́ dé state kó débi pé wọn ò lè hide àwọn owó yẹn mọ́, lọ́ ṣe bá owó yẹn lákàntì wọn. Torí most of them wọ́n gbọ́n débi pé wọ́n máa ń kówó sọ́fẹ́ lómi láti kó dání. Ibi tẹ́lẹ̀ lómi yẹn ti máa ń lówó lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn. Ẹ̀rí ẹ̀ lómi ò máa kàn sọ pé ìjọba wa bá mi tọ́jú owó yìí, percentage báyìí lówó ẹ̀. Táwọn èèyàn jẹ́ máa gbà tó fi ń ṣe business dáadáa. Àwọn musicians yẹn ń ṣe dáadáa. Àwọn celebrities yẹn ń ṣe dáadáa. Àwọn actresses yẹn ń ṣe, àwọn actors. But most of them, nǹkan táwọn ẹlòmíì fi ń live nìyẹn. Kọ́ máa báyọ̀ hide owó. Now, over 80 billion naira lọ́ba lákàntì wọ́n sìn, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ investigation. Now, mi ò ní pé kọ́ máa ṣe investigation yẹn, but why tí wọ́n ti gbé Mele Kyari? Ẹ mọ̀ ẹ́ tí wọ́n ní wọ́n fi over $3 billion ni wọ́n fẹ́ account fún sí yín o. Over $3 billion kí wọ́n kọ́ fi renovate, kọ́ fi rehabilitate àwọn refineries tó wà, àwọn refineries mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta. Wọ́n kó gbogbo owó yẹn, wọ́n kó ná. Now the 3MD ni wọ́n mú. Now Mr. Bayo Ojulari tó jẹ́ Nnpc boss nísìn kò tí arrest Mele Kyari fún ara ẹ̀, because to me EFCC supposed to invite Mele Kyari, because that man to me ó jẹ́ kó wà under investigation. Èèyàn máa wá boldly á jẹ́ wá parọ́ fún wa pé ní time gbà báyìí refinery máa ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ má yẹ kí n tọ̀ yín, more than 4 times ni Mele Kyari ti wá sórí national television láti máa parọ́ fún wa pé refinery máa ṣiṣẹ́. Still yet kò ṣiṣẹ́ until gbà tó ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ níbi November àbí time wo ló ṣiṣẹ́ bí last year November tó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣẹ́. Now wọ́n sọ pé Warri refinery ṣiṣẹ́ within 1 month ó collapse padà. ó shut down wọ́n wá sọ pé for safety purpose. Let us be sincere to ourselves. We cannot continue deceiving ourselves in this country. Nothing is working. The policy is not working. And for me, if you believe that somebody will come, maybe Peter Obi or Atiku Abubakar, don't let me deceive you. Tí Tinubu bá sì lè rí ṣe, èmi o, that's my own opinion. Mo believe pé kò sẹ́nibọ̀ tó lè túnṣe ju pé kẹ́bọ̀dì pín ká máa lọ́ndì lọ tiwa. That is just the fact. Now, ẹ jẹ́ ká bọ́ sórí Mele Kyari. Now, ẹ fi Mele Kyari lẹ́sìn, wọ́n arrest àwọn MD. Why tí ẹ ṣe tí ìgbé Mele Kyari tó jẹ́ boss wọn gangan? Because òun ló máa allocate, òun ló máa send owó sáwọn ẹni nǹkan tó máa ṣe. And gbogbo information tí wọ́n ń gbọ́ at that time, mo rí tí Arise TV tí wọ́n ń package documentary kan nípa Mele Kyari, mo jẹ́ ń mérí pé country ti bàjẹ́ kọjá àyè. Ṣé Mele Kyari ló yẹ kó celebrate? That man is something else. But I still believe that wọ́n ní láti put under investigation. Wọ́n ti kàn kàn mọ́ lọ́wọ́ fine, but kí Efcc investigate. Bó ṣe ná owó kọ́ audit kọ́ tiẹ̀ wọ́n audit Nnpc láti join. Kọ́ ṣe the right thing. Now, Mr. President, you see, you are the one that said you want to renew Nigerians' hope. And now, we are seeing hell in terms of your economic reform. To me, I'm not saying that your reform is not going to yield good results, but won't affect the poor masses seriously. Yes, we have to start from somewhere. But mo believe pé gbogbo reform tí President Tinubu ń ṣe kò tí ì ṣe ìtorí affect poor masses positively. Negative gbogbo ẹ̀ ń bọ́ sí. And now, a rí bí everybody wọ́n ṣe ń campaign sí. Campaign ni wọ́n wà after sí. From one state to the other, from one party kan máa move láti party kan bọ́ sí party kan, nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. The main government tó yẹ kó wọ́n focus lé lórí. To me, I see Mr. President as, I know that this man, Mr. President, is one of, mo rí pé President Tinubu fẹ́ ṣe, to my own understanding. But, you know, there's something tó yẹ pé ó hold everybody. Ransom tó yẹ pé you can't move without these people. Because there are some people running this country apart from Mr. President. And wọ́n jẹ́ wà powerful débi pé wọn ò lè mú wọn. And that is what I said, you are a president. Tí ìjẹ́ president tó máa ní àyà bí Ọmọyẹlé Sowore, tá bá lè rí èèyàn tó máa dàbí Ọmọyẹlé Sowore, á ti tú àṣírí everybody. And that is the reason why I said, and most of these people vote ló ń wá, bó ṣe fẹ́ wà re-elect ni wọ́n wá, wọ́n wà concern nípa Nigerians. And tó bá jẹ́ 27 sí everybody máa bọ́ta, everybody máa sọ pé wọ́n fẹ́ lọ dìbò. So, Mr. President, your reform is not yielding any result yet. I'm not saying that you should not believe in yourself. You believe in yourself, you believe in your reform, fine. But kò tí ì désàlẹ̀, àwọn èèyàn suffer. Everything lọ sókè drastically. Now, corruption jẹ́ ló ń fa gbogbo ẹ̀. Eléyà kó 20 billion jẹ́, eléyà kó 100 billion jẹ́, báwo ni gbogbo kíní yẹn ṣe fẹ́ désàlẹ̀? And from what you said it's difficult to eradicate corruption, which I accept. But to reduce it now is another thing entirely. All the policy that you want to put in places to reduce this crime, to reduce this corruption, is not yielding results too. So I think you have to do something about this. Kò jẹ́ ṣe wípé kí Efcc kọ̀ dárúkọ wọn kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀, then in the next 6 months everything die down. Ká má gbọ́ nǹkan kan mọ́. Everybody ti gbàgbé àwọn tí wọ́n kówó jẹ, everybody ti gbàgbé àwọn tí wọ́n fá gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ. The EFCC, this is not the first time you accuse someone pé ẹni yìí kó yẹ báyìí jẹ. At the end of the day, wọ́n máa filẹ̀ náà ni wọ́n á ní wọn ò rí nǹkan kan. Wọ́n á ní wọn ò rí nǹkan kan. A jẹ́ sọ pé country will grow. Anyway, mi ò ní rí ju báyìí lọ lórí ètò. Orúkọ mi yí padà, Ọmọọba Oyèyẹmí Lẹ́kùtì. Ó dìgbà kan náà.
Please subscribe to Facetv Africa and turn the notification on. Facetv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.